And INDECOM is also raising alarm over a 300% increase in police fatal shootings in the first 5 days of 2026. This is in comparison to the same period last year. More in this report.
INDECOM said 12 people died in 6 alleged confrontations involving members of the security forces across multiple parishes, including multiple fatal shootings in Manchester, St. James, and Westmoreland. 2 of these incidents were reported as occurring in planned police operations. Yesterday, a triple shooting in St. Toulouse, Manchester, left 3 men dead, while a single fatal shooting in Clarendon Park claimed another life. Earlier on New Year's Day, 4 shootings across St. James, Westmoreland, and Kingston resulted in the killing of 8 people, including 3 minors. Among the victims were 5-year-old Romaine Bowman, 16-year-old Kevon Martinez, 15-year-old Romaine Campbell, and several men in their 20s. Deputy Commissioner of INDECOM, Yannick Taylor-Wellington, says the surge is alarming and has vowed that the Commission will investigate all incidents thoroughly and impartially. 8 firearms were recovered, but INDECOM notes that no body-worn cameras were activated in any of the shootings. In one case, a police officer admitted that his camera was not used because he did not have a clip to wear it. As investigations continue, INDECOM says it will take action where breaches of the law are found. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.